Easter morning 2011. Let's go, kids.
Anna, look what you got. A blue kanduni. You got a blue kanduni. There's your Easter basket. And a Game Boy. Game Boy. Look it.
What's that?
Game Boy. It's that. Game Boy. Candy. Mommy, chop. Delicious. Candy. I think I got it. Oh, look what I got.
What is it?
Tinkerbell. Look at my glasses. I'll put them on, Mommy. See if they fit. I ate these. Getting all my stuff in my heavy. Oh, yeah.
Girls, it looks like there would be some random eggs around. What's that all about?
The Easter Bunny made us an Easter hut.
What's that on top of the fireplace?
An Easter egg. And there's two. Can we start our Easter egg, Daddy? Everybody, Austin, just empty it. Put your stuff by yourself, and let's start our Easter egg hunt. Okay? Austin, let's start an Easter egg hunt. Let's start our Easter egg hunt. And then do you want to do an Easter egg hunt? What's your basket? I'm gonna wear this for summer.
Are you?
Uh-huh.
Take good care of them.
Okay. Okay, here's your basket, and here's your basket. Ashton, dump your stuff by yours, and then we're gonna take it, and let's start our Easter egg hunt.
Aiden, so stop bossing me.
Dad, look what was in Ashton's Easter basket.
Awesome.
Put that in your Easter bag. We're doing an egg hunt. Come on, find some. Oh, where did I take it? Oh my gosh, Ashton took that one. Easter eggs. I found blue. Daddy got one. I found it up there. I found it up there. Want me to get it for you? Yeah.
Here. You're gonna fall.
And there goes Easter eggs. Daddy, what is this?
I don't know.
I found pink.
So Aiden found one.
Thanks, Bubby.
Hey, Addison,
And
can you give me a Kleenex?
I have a lot, but I'll give some to Aiden. Found one.
That's Aiden.
Aiden, can you give me a Kleenex?
Aiden, give Daddy a Kleenex.
Here, Aiden.
What's this
Oh
stuff?
my gosh! Mommy, I'll show you some. Easter
what?
egg! Yours on the ground, bro. I can still fix it. But I can. Yeah? Watch it, Lisa.
You got one. Good job, bud.
Here's an Easter egg. There was one in there.
It's 420.
I think. I don't. And this bunny's good.
All right, is that it?
I'm not sure. I'm playing it.
Happy Easter, everybody. Here, girls, get together. Say Happy Easter.